quite a lot of money. How much is quite a lot of money? Well, I'd be disappointed if they were worth less than £3,000 each. So, shall we say £6,000 to £9,000? What would they cost you? Here, in Ulster, they could be yours.
Winning three gold medals was the best thing that ever happened to me. I was the Golden Girls for being overnight. That completely shifted.
Stephanie Rice cried while apologising for the
She's
offensive
gonna
message on Twitter.
jump in there. It's getting farther now, so I have to move it back a little bit. That's the perch dead. She used to climb to the perch.
There's no way I would ever go out without a big, strong fight.
I think you need this.
Yeah, I do need this.
She's wondering how I'm gonna go in there.
Monday, 7:30 on 7 and 7 Plus.
What are you trying to do with that?
Why are we still reaching for period pads to deal with